Today we're going to look at some more acronyms. Today's acronyms will be expressing opinions. Acronyms you can use to express your opinions. Some new ones we have today are IMO or IMHO, POV, TBH, and IDK. What do those mean? Let's check it out. 今日の勉強は acronyms 意見を言うこと。どうやって英語で意見を言える。今日それを勉強します。And looking at the first one, IMO or IMHO. IMO stands for in my opinion. In my humble opinion. Here's the first one. Humble means I really don't have very much confidence about what I'm saying. However, this is my opinion. And the next one, POV. POV stands for point of view. In English, point of view means is another way of your opinion, my point of view. We see something and our point of view, if I'm looking at it from this direction, how I feel about it, or if it's from this direction, my point of view of something. Everybody has a different point of view. And next one, TBH. What does that mean, TBH? To be honest. To be honest. So giving my true feelings about something. I'm being honest about this. My honest opinion. To be honest. And the last one, IDK. IDK means I don't know. Yes. I don't know. So very easily, if somebody asks you a difficult question, you can say IDK. I don't know. And 日本語で言うと in my opinion, 試験による in my humble opinion, 意見による And next one, POV, point of view, 見る方 or 見方みんな違う意見で自分の見方どういうふうに見るこういうもの私はこういうふうに見てるだけどその人はこういうふうに見てるそう見方が違う And next one, to be honest 正直で言うと And last one, IDK I don't know わかりません Looking at some examples for expressing opinion acronyms In my opinion, we should do more to protect the environment. I believe we should do more to protect the environment. Next one. What's your point of view on increasing taxes? Do you think it's good to increase taxes? Do you think it's bad? What's your point of view? What's your POV? To be honest, you need to get more exercise. Sitting around all day watching TV is not so good. I think you need to get some exercise, to be honest. I don't know anything about economics. 日本語で言うと、私の意見で環境を保護するためにもっとやらなきゃいけないです。税金を上がることについてどう思いますか？正直で言うと、あなたはもっと運動した方がいい。私は経済について何も知らないです。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And please make an example sentence using one of the acronyms from today. And I'll check it for you. See you next time.